हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। जो पहली बार हमारे चैनल पे आए हैं वो सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर आपको हमारे आज की वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगती है तो इसे शेयर भी जरूर करें। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जीएसटी रिटर्न। व्हाट इज जीएसटी रिटर्न? अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट कंटेन डिटेल्स ऑफ ऑल द इनकम, sales, purchases, expenses that a GST registered taxpayer is required to file with the tax administrative authorities, that is a GST return. Do you know that all the registered businesses have to file monthly, quarterly and yearly returns based on the type of the business? All these returns are filed online on the GST portal. Under GST, a registered dealer need to file the following information. Number 1 is sales. Number 2, output tax liability on sales. Number 3, input tax credit on purchases. Number 4, detail of exempted or non-taxable inward supply. Number 5 is liability on reverse charge mechanism. Number 6 is detail of number of invoices raised during the reporting period. Number 7 is detail of HSN / SAC wise detail of output supply. There are 13 returns in GST. So let's talk about them in detail. Number 1 is GST R1, that is detail of output supply. The frequency of GST R1 is monthly and quarterly if the turnover is up to 5 crore in previous financial and opted under QRMP scheme. The due date of GST R1 is 11th of the next month, 13th of the end of the quarter. Number 2 is IFF, that is detail of B2B taxable output supplies. The frequency of IFF is monthly and the due date of IFF is 13th of the end of the month. Number 3 is GST R3B, that is details of output supplies and input tax credit, details of payment of liability, and the frequency of GST R3B is monthly and quarterly. The due date of GST 3RB is 20th of the end of the month and 22nd and 24th of the end of the quarter. Number 4 is GST R9, that is annual return by a regular taxpayer. The frequency of GST R9 is annually and the due date of GST R9 is 31st December of the end of the financial year. Number 5 is ITC 04, that is statement filed by a principal or a job worker about the details of the goods sent or received by a job worker. The frequency of ITC 04 is annually in the case where the turnover is up to 5 crore and half yearly in the case where the turnover is more than 5 crore. Now, due date is in the case of annually is 25th April and in the case of half yearly it is 25th October and 25th April. And there is CMP 08, GST R4, GST R5, GST R5A, GST R6, GST R7, GST R8, GST R9C, GST R10, GST R11. All the relevant information of these returns is given in the description box. You can go and read it. If you want to know more about GST return and any other relevant topic, you can contact us and call us on the given number.